want to hold his head up though, Casey.
Look at him go, man.
Go, BC. Go over here. Go over here. Go over there. Go over here. No, go right there. Right the step.
It's good exercise for him.
Boy, come here. I'll dry you off. Come here, honey. Yeah. Yeah. There you go.
He's a water cat.
He's a good boy. You did such a good job. Yeah. He's a good